Welcome to another episode of What the My name is Nick Hollinger. I'm the Chief Executive at VisitorQ, and in this series, we teach you super practical tips and tricks to help you grow your company. Today, I'll be showing you how to build a list of your competitors or even a complementary software's clients using a tool called BuiltWith. BuiltWith is a database that allows you to identify the technology that a company's website is using. They have tens of thousands of technologies cataloged and over 250 million websites scraped. We've used this technique before at VisitorQ to target our competitors' clients with emails and promotions. It's helped us drive hundreds of signups before. I will note, though, that this won't work for everybody. You'll have to check BuiltWith to see if they have a technology in the database that you want to target. So let's get started. To start, you want to identify some competitors or some complementing software. I believe you all know what I mean by competitors. By complementing software, I mean other software that you may integrate with, or maybe one that your typical client use alongside your product. An example of this would be if you created a WordPress plugin to help WordPress site owners optimize their site load time. You can use BuiltWith to identify all the websites that are using WordPress as their CMS and then target the owners of those websites. Okay, once you have a list of software, you're ready to start identifying their customers. Start by searching it into BuiltWith. For the sake of this video, we'll say that you want a list of people using HubSpot. We'll type HubSpot in the search bar. Click Usage Statistics on the correct result, then click Download Lead List. Scroll down to Download Full Lead List. Sign up for BuiltWith or sign in if you already have an account. Click on the export you just generated. Click on the report you just generated. Click Export, then download the CSV. Now, you'll have a sample list of websites that use HubSpot or the software that you picked. To get the entire report, you'll have to upgrade to one of their paid plans, which start at $300 US. For the sample report, you'll see the data that you'll get in the full reports. You'll see that you get a list of emails and people that work for these companies. A position for these people is also provided. Also provided are phone numbers for different campaign types that you may be launching. I should also mention, to ensure that any cold emails you send meet the requirements in not only your region, but the region that that individual lives. That's all for this episode of What the Growth. Tune in next month for another growth tip.